Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from, let's see, DLT Trading. So today I'm opening up with my tactile knife company, Dread-Eye. It's a cool little fixed blade magna cut. I like this little blade. Let's get into this. Receipt over here. Oh, got a nice little sticker. What do we have here? So if y'all notice, this is a knife from Reiff Knives, or Reiff's Knives. I'm assuming it's Reiff knife. It's made in the USA, guaranteed for life. Carry, no cares, worry. So if you notice in my description down below, I am now an affiliate with Reiff Knives, so definitely something worth checking out. I heard good things, and I wanted to check these guys out. So cool sticker, I love stickers. Really nice little patch. That'll go on my wall for sure. I like this cover. Nice little Kydex. We'll have to take a look at that. Very cool. All right, so I'm going to put this back in the box over here. Love the packaging. Packaging is definitely cool presentation. All right, so caution, sharp knife. All right, so this is the knife. Boy, it's got some nice grip to it. What do we got here? This is, I think it's my Carter is a G10. Looks like my Carter. Nice texture. Love the big T15s, I'm guessing, or T25s. Good contoured hand shape. Definitely get you a good solid hand shake. Now, as far as blade width, we're talking about the same width here as blade and about the same handle, so that's cool. This one's definitely a little bit bigger. So let's see how it fits into the Kydex holster here. Nice clicky click. It's got a nice little clip here. Now, it's quite interesting. This is more, it's not quite like a, what do we call these? A tech lock. It's not like a tech lock. This is more of a loop. It makes it a little more challenging to put on. Now I have some ulti clips and stuff that I would definitely probably replace this out with, because this is kind of not a very useful clip for me. Maybe for some people who love to put it through their belt loop, you'll love that. I don't care for that. I would probably also want to carry it vertically, because I'd carry it, horizontal with my belt. Let's see how does it come off. Okay. Oh my God! All right, definitely locks in there. It's not easy to deploy off of there. Wow, that is certainly solid in there. Okay, you can see that I'm shaking the desk getting it off. Keep my fingers away from that. All right, let's see how sharp that is. It seems pretty sharp. CPM 3V blade steel, so it's a good tough steel. I have a shark lock in that type of steel. Grip-wise, I have large hands, so I've got plenty of room here. I think extra large hands, you'd probably get out to here, but here, yeah, definitely room. It is a very thick handle. I'm not sure how I like that yet. That is really, really big. I don't feel like I can get all the way around that handle. It feels like, even though it's a small knife, it feels like it's made for some gigantic hands. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I'll have to think about that. We'll take a look at that blade, see how sharp that is. Certainly a thick stock. You can see that. Not a very thin blade knife. I mean, compare it to the tactile company, they're kind of close. This one has more of a swedge on top, which is nice for a turn. A little thinner in the grip. You can see that. This one, I feel like I can get a full grip all the way around. This one, I don't know. I don't feel like I can really hold it. Yeah, it's going to slide in my hands. I don't like that. I can't control the turn on this one. All right, well, it's interesting. So I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this. Yeah, okay. This is a really, really thick handle. I don't know if I care for that. let's just, for the grins of it, since we did the opening, let's go ahead and see if this is possibly a T15. Nope. Let's see, is it possibly is it a T20? Yeah, probably a T20. That's a big old giant Torx kind of screw there. And it is Torx, right? Yeah, it's Torx. One on each side. That Kydex is really in there solidly. Man, that handle. Yeah, see, if I start turning, I couldn't control it from turning, and I don't like that. Here, when I have it, I can keep it from turning. I can keep it locked in there. So if I'm trying to turn into something, it's going to slide in my hand. I can't grip that. It's too fat of a handle. It is. Now, if you've got gigantic hands, this is probably going to be a wonderful, wonderful knife for you. But if you're like me, you got, large hands, but you have short fingers, this is not a good knife. I'm going to probably have to return this. We're not going to do anything with this. We're going to probably request a return, as much as I like it, and I think it's beautiful. I like the Kydex holster a lot. This I would definitely replace. This is not functional at all. This is pointless, right? I mean, if you like a loop and you want to thread it through your belt, this is fine, but I use tactical belts. I could never even get it through that. I would have to unscrew this, tie it around the tactical belt, and put it back on, and then I would never be able to take it off until I screwed it off. So that's useless. That's really, I don't know what that's for. So those of you guys who carry fixed blades, and if you know, help me, because I know what I do on here with one of these guys, right? Those easily pop on and off. You can attach it, you put it back on, you lock it in place, and that's nice. This, I mean, you have to have a leather belt to loop it through. So I guess this is for someone who just wears leather belts that can fit into that. Yeah, I'm not digging that either. All right, well, I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it is a very sturdy Kydex holster. You're not going to lose it. It is a very, very thick, very fat-handled. This is like something I would expect on maybe a 10 or 15-inch blade or something. This is just ridiculously thick. Not a fan of that. So, but the beautiful thing is it is a full tang all the way through, and that is really nice. It means good stability with it. I wish they had thinner handles. You see, I can't use that. I can't know, if I can't keep that grip and not know that's going to turn. Where here I can hold that and I can turn my grip and I can control it. I can't do that here. So that's really concerning. So yeah, it's really, wow, it's really, really back heavy. Whereas over here, yeah, you're probably about right there, right? So anyways, it is cool. I like the edge. Edge is pretty good, pretty even all the way around. It's got a nice little sharpening choil. Has definitely a little place here, a hold up here, but with it moving around my hand, that's going to slip right through, and that could slip and cut my fingers, and it's a safety issue for me. So if you got small, short fingers, do not recommend this knife for you. It's too fat. You need something thinner. This is kind of ridiculously fat. Now, if you got big hands, this is maybe perfect for you. If you got really long, skinny fingers, you may love this. Not for me though. Not for my hands, right? I got shorter fingers, so you can see that. About 3.5, 4 inches right there, and some of you guys may have really long fingers and you can wrap all the way around that, but you see I can't even fully grip around that. There's still space in here, so, and it's sliding all around. So yeah, interesting little fixie. We will definitely return it. It's a cool USA knife, and I love supporting USA knives. I can tell you the quality is outstanding. Absolutely outstanding quality. Functionally really, really wonderful. So I did say I had a link down there for Reiff knives. I'll probably end up dropping that affiliate because I can't be an affiliate of someone I don't really enjoy and support, right? So you will probably see that affiliate link go away. And I'll go ahead and drop my relationship with them because this is not a knife for me. Definitely not a knife for me. It's not made for people with skinnier or shorter fingers or fat fingers with shorter fingers. This is just not a safe knife for me. Because if I wanted to hard use it, the problem I have is if I'm going to start cutting heavy things, it's going to slide in my hand. And if it slides in my hand, then I'm going to get off of that, and that could slide up there and cut me. So that's the issue I have with that. But definitely an interesting knife for sure. We will put it right back in here and return it right back to them and say thank you very much, enjoyed it. But yeah, okay. Interesting. Let me know what you think if you have one of these. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Definitely do a little close-up here so we can have a little picture of it. Make sure it's off screen here. You can see that right there. We'll do the back. CPM 3V blade steel. Definitely pretty cool. Yeah, interesting. Hey, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you found this fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows me to produce more content, do more things, allows the channel to grow, ultimately to do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to all you guys who watch the videos, who like the videos, and who also, you know, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you also haven't done so already, hit that notification button down below as well. You can be notified of future content. Also to all my channel members, I want to say big, huge thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. And if you've been on the fence thinking, hey, I'd like to maybe become a channel member, you want to support the channel, I would love to have you. I'd be honored. Sincerely, would be really honored. But please don't ever feel like you have to. I just want you to know that I enjoy you just being a member, watching the channel's content, and just, you know, being part of it. That's, to me, is great enough. But if you'd like to be a member, I would love to have you. And as a way for me to say thank you to the members, I do a once a month giveaway, and I just want to let you know about that. And we do give stickers to all new members if you ask for it. And then if you're a top tier, you get a special sticker and early release, early content, and all sorts of stuff like that. All right, there you go. Well, thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't already, maybe go check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.